Okay, so this last presentation is for the leaflet. Okay, so we've gone through, you get the leaflet marks here, so you've got your first draft. Get 2 marks for giving yourself feedback on your first draft. 1 mark for comments from others, so you'd get that by emailing somebody your first draft. And then the last one by actually using all this feedback and making improvements to make the final document. And the mark here is for accuracy and plausibility, so that's just spell checking your work to make sure there are no errors. So I'm going to show you a PowerPoint, a leaflet, and go through some of the skills of what to do. So you can see here we've got a lovely leaflet that actually one of the pupils have made. And we've got things like, so if we go to insert and we've got headers and footers, you can see we've used headers there, footers down the bottom, which is page numbering. So do a page number, you would just literally insert page number and it adds it for you. Okay, lots of other skills have been used. Now this is today's date, but I didn't write that in. What's actually happened here is insert date and time. I clicked the wrong one. Date and time. And you can actually then choose what format you put it in. So now if I went off it and came back on tomorrow, the date would be Tuesday the 6th of April 2021. We've got word art up here, and you can see where we've got some lovely images. Now if it was a real magazine, you would have comments, text boxes around them to tell me what that image is for. Now it's a really nice advanced element to this document. You can see here we've got customized bullet points. All right, so we've got bullet points. So your normal bullet points would be like that. And then you could go into bullets and numbering and actually choose a different character. Go into wingdings as an option, look. And choose the different styles that you can actually put in. It's completely up to you what you use. And there's your customized bullet points. Now, one other lovely feature, you can see the page numbers at the bottom. One other lovely feature to this leaflet is the fact you can see we've got columns. And what that means is when one bit of text actually finishes, it goes straight on to the next page, etc. So to do that, for each one of these documents, you would just add in a text box of the right shape, and you would then create a link. And create a link, you'd go to the one before, okay? So we've got text boxes, and that will link into here so that when we add text, so if I'm on this page, for example, and it goes, look, it takes you directly to the next page. Hi, this is Mrs. LD. So you can see the hi there, and if I took some, you can see it moves from one page to the other. So it means that you've designed the page, and then once you finish the text on one, it would automatically look, you see the arrow here is linked to this page is linked to the previous and the next, for example. So we've got our tables, we've got, you can obviously change these to make the merge cells, or if you added another row down the bottom, you can merge the cells on here. And so look, if I double click on it, I go to layout, highlight these, merge the cells, and you can see now I've merged the cells, and if I put that centrally, I've got some nice little comments now at the bottom about different offers that are available. You can change the text direction. You can do lots of different things on here, but it's looking really good. We don't really need that page to be. I added that in to show you a skill. Okay, so that is your leaflet. We've got headers, footers, we've got inserting of the date using a code, we've got bold and underline here, we've got things like the comments, we've got the customized bullet points, we've got page numbers, we've got linking cells, we've got merging of cells, but just make sure it looks like a proper and professional leaflet. All right, it's about the skills that you use.